Yoga means union, and it refers to an inner union between your energies and inner chemistry. When you align your inner nature, you become aligned with nature and the universe. And when that happens, you allow the universe to flow through you. So your life becomes effortless, happy, and in flow instead of in resistance and suffering. That is the power of yoga. If you practice on a daily basis, you can change your inner chemistry. You can change on all levels, physical, how you feel. So yoga has the power to transform your life. If you put in your daily practice, your body can change, your emotions can change, and your entire life can change. That is the ultimate goal of yoga, union with the individual self, with the cosmos.